Yes, good day and welcome. Today we are going to be looking at the use of library, that is GST 122, and our topic for today is what? Types of library. Now, our outline, first of all, we are going to look at two types of library materials. The first one is the what? Print materials. And under the print materials, we have books, periodicals, and vertical files. Then the second type of library material is the non-print material, which includes e-journals, e-books, e-theses and dissertations, online database, and open access resources. Now, what are library materials? From our definition here, we said library materials are all forms of information carriers that can be used to record, store, preserve, transmit, or retrieve information for learning, research, or instructional purposes. A library material, they say, are all forms of what? Information carrier. That means every material in the library which are called library materials are what? Carries a bit of what? Information. And those information there are meant to be what? Either transmitted or retrieved, are meant to be stored. And what is the purpose? It is either for the purpose of what? Learning, carrying out research, or for instructional purposes. Now, the first type of library material we're going to look at are what? It has two categories. The first category is the what? Print material. What are print materials? These are paper-based information sources. Paper-based information sources. That means things written in what? Black and white. Things printed on paper. That is, materials that are printed on paper. Now, print materials form bulk of information sources in the media centers. In the media what? Centers. Whenever you go to the print material section, or when you go to the library, most of the usual library, you see that print materials are what? They form bulk of what is in that library. Everything that are printed, everywhere you go, you see them there. And now, print materials include what? Books, periodicals, vertical files, and what? Government publications. So now let us look at each and every one of them one by one. We are going to look at books right now. So let us consider what a book is. Now, the first print material we're going to talk about is book. Now, books are published works of literature and scholarships. Published work of literature and scholarship. And UNESCO refers to book as what? Non-periodical publications of at least 49 pages excluding covers. That means anything minus the cover that has at least 49 pages and above is being referred to as what? A book. Now, the second type of print material are known as what? Periodicals. Now, what is a periodical? These are publications which come out at regular intervals. They come out at regular intervals. They don't just come out anyhow. They come out at regular intervals. It could be daily, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, it could be yearly. Now, and intends to continue indefinitely in several volumes. These periodicals, they tend to continue, and when they come out in what? Several volumes. Examples of periodicals are journals, magazines, and what? Newspapers. Now, the third type of print material are what? Vertical file. This is just a file of pamphlet material. And remember, a pamphlet is a piece of paper containing what? A piece or pieces of information. And now these information are kept in a what? Filing cabinet. These information are kept in what? A filing cabinet, and that is what a vertical file is. So now, secondly, we are going to be looking at what? Non-print materials. Okay, now let's go.